Okay, so no play. Okay, bye. Okay, then play, write your ABC then. Can you review the ABC?
Well, it's time for your jammer. Is there jammer?
She doesn't listen that anymore. Okay, put it here. Don't make it that one. When Daddy do the vacuuming, you're gonna lose it.
Oh, we'll go back in.
Why you put your animals there?
Oh, I gotta get you something else for that.
Oh, what are those? Whoa. Those are insects. Yikes, B. Put it there on the next one, not long one. So they're not. There you go. So other line. Yep.
This one and this one.
Busy ang mga tao ngayon na nasa ano,
And you.
na kay Alice
And
Go.
you.
Aisa.
one.
I didn't touch it. Na kay Alice Go ang mga tao ngayon na. Di ba, Chay? Busy. Mahirap, no? Yun ang example na mayaman nga, stress naman. No, sakit sa ulo nun. Stressful.
Here,
Stressful,
This
no?
one goes with it.
Yeah.
Yan, yung maraming pera pero stressful.
Oh, that one's scary. The ant.
Yep. How about put this in your bed?
Okay, Mama, in your bed.
Yeah, simpleng buhay na lang.
Pick a bee, Mama. Pick.
Pick a bee.
Yeah, Mama.
I close my eyes. Grasshopper.
This one.
About daddy?
I don't want to be one. Be one.
Yeah, big one.
Don't think, Mama.
Don't scare grandma.
Are you scaring grandma? These are all real one. Yun ang example ng maraming ang pera, sakit
This is
naman
like
ang
the
ulo.
jewel beetle, those pinch beetles.
Do we have that here in Alaska?
I've seen, we got lots of them. There's a little dragonfly.
Kaya tama na tong simpleng buhay.
We have different bugs up here.
At least hindi tayo.
We have grasshoppers. I've never seen crickets or I've never seen.
Oh, that's a huge one.
And I barely ever seen frogs.
Wait a minute. This
No,
one.
no skunks.
Oo, grabe no,
skunks
sakit
or
sa
anything.
ulo.
Okay.
Diyos me. Kulong pa. Wala ding freedom. Yeah, mahirap yun.
This.
Kaya minsan nakakaloko pero wala,
Yeah,
hahabol
that's
pa
right.
rin
Yep,
sa'yo.
it turns- yep,
Habol
caterpillar
pa
turns
rin.
the larva into that. You're right.
No, it changed this. Or this.
Oh. No, that's a grasshopper.
I changed.
Correct, Aisa. Yung sakto lang, at least walang naapakan.
Mama, this one. They were better.
That pinch you. That one's-
Where you go? Oh, Julene, you gonna play?
No, ow.
Oh, Jilana was waiting for you. Okay, you wanna go sleep now?
No,
No,
one
I'm
hour.
not gonna.
1 hour iPad. No.
Well, she need to play a little bit with Jilana.
Okay, look at this. Oh,
What's that? Whoa, I like your hair.
you go like this and it blends in.
Hey, oh, your little toe goes in like that?
Oh, wow, you have
It's
little
Aunt
toe.
It's from Aunt Debbie.
Little toe.
I told you.
Scary.
Little toe, let me in.
It's Aunt Debbie's little toe.
How's your fingers? That's
They
still on?
still have it.
You still eat it today? Did you bite it today?
Yeah,
No,
you
'cause
bite
we-
your
I put mine a lot. I put it on when you got home because he just bought it today. So
So did you try it today after you put it
no, when I put
today?
it on, I licked it and it tastes bad.
Oh, wow.
I had to drink the milk. It didn't taste good.